My name's Mark.
I'm Liz.
Hi, I'm Roger.
Olivia.
We're Full Bloom Farm.
It started in 2001 as a peony enterprise. That was what I was doing. But we've been working all along on the gardens in general.
At Full Bloom Farm, we basically grow all the mixed vegetables that are possible in the Pacific Northwest within reason. We start off with our overwintered crops, some of the kales and chard and cauliflower overwinter really well here. It's typical spring crops, lots of lettuce. We do a luscious green mix that has a combination of lettuces and auroch. We grow some summer vegetables underneath high tunnels, so we get our tomatoes and our melons going underneath shelter. We have a variety of fruit trees, a mixture of berries, some wild foraged ingredients early in the season. We just really try to also focus on our flower offerings, and Liz does a mixed summer bouquet right now weekly, as well as peonies when they're in season.
We try to grow a wide variety of vegetables because we want to be able to offer as many different options to the island as possible.
We use our grass clippings for mulch and for building composting. We also add chicken droppings to the compost, as well as vegetables past their prime. So we have quite a bit of organic material going in there, and the compost that we've been producing has really enriched the soil here very much. The other thing we make is salt. We use a solar evaporator, and it's really delicious. It's not like NaCl, table salt. It's got all different kinds of potassium chlorides and magnesium, so it has a lot of flavor and it's very nutritious.
Some of the other sustainable practices we've been implementing include managing all of our raised beds as no-till. We've been doing that for about the past 4 or 5 years, and it's really made a difference in the soil profile. We use drip irrigation to keep our crops watered. We've only had to water twice this season.
We also do pastured chicken.
Oh yeah.
So we move them through the pasture, and we move them every 4 to 6 days, roughly.
We have an automatic door that opens at sunrise and closes at sunset, and the chickens have learned to go in and come out. And then we got this really cool system where the laying box is it's one big box, but it's on an angle. When they lay an egg, it rolls out.
People can get produce directly from fullbloomfarm.com. We have an online store. We're not currently selling from our farm stand, our physical farm stand, but basically you go online and you order just like you would order anything else online, and you can pick up the next day at our farm stand, and your order will be all packaged up. So it's fullbloomfarm.com/farmstand, and it's available on Lummi Island only.